is not merely seen. It is felt. It is the quiet harmony of design, the confidence of precision, and the assurance that every detail has been crafted with intention. In the spaces where we begin and end our day, beauty becomes deeply personal. It shapes our mood, elevates our routines, and turns the simplest interaction with water into a moment of calm, clarity, and comfort. For nearly 3 decades, Corsa Bath Products Private Limited, proudly known as Corsa, has devoted itself to creating this experience. Established in 1996 and rooted in the vibrant heart of the National Capital Region, Corsa has grown from a bold vision into a benchmark of Indian excellence. What began as a single dream is today a powerhouse of innovation, spread across more than 150,000 square feet of advanced manufacturing space, supported by over 500 dedicated professionals and enriched by a diverse portfolio of over 3,000 products. From elegant bath faucets and thermostatic diverters to rejuvenating showers, robust kitchen sinks, flushing cisterns, premium accessories, PTMT taps, and refined sanitary ware, Corsa stands as a comprehensive solution provider for modern living. Every creation reflects our commitment to beauty, reliability, and long-lasting performance. The story of Corsa is shaped by visionaries. It began with the founder and managing director, whose mastery in sales and marketing, overseas business development, and strategic planning laid the foundation of the brand. His brothers have each brought unwavering dedication, leadership, and deep industry expertise. Together, they form the backbone of Corsa's evolution, fostering a culture where innovation thrives, quality is non-negotiable, and customer satisfaction stands above all. Our journey is built on knowledge, the science of raw materials, the power of cutting-edge technologies, and insights gained from global research. This understanding fuels our manufacturing process, where precision transforms into performance. It begins with mold making, the birthplace of every design. Here, expert engineers craft precise dies, capturing the essence of elegance, durability, and flawless geometry. From mold making, the journey enters casting. Using electric furnaces and only the highest grade ingots, we ensure purity at the metallurgical level. Semi-automatic core shooter machines enhance accuracy and uniformity, laying the foundation for excellence that can be seen and felt. Machining follows, where advanced CNC lathes, VMC, SPM, and peeling machines shape each component with meticulous consistency. Our VMC machines translate design intent into precise contours, ensuring every piece reflects our aesthetic philosophy. After machining, each product undergoes grinding, a stage dedicated to refining form, removing micro imperfections, and preparing surfaces for the next level of craftsmanship. Polishing then brings the metal to life. Through a careful, controlled sequence, our teams create surfaces that gleam with purity and perfection, ready to embody the elegance Corsa is known for. Electroplating is where durability meets artistry. With our three-step plating process, finishes gain extraordinary resistance to corrosion, wear, and environmental stress. The result is a radiant shine that stays true for years. In assembly, each component is brought together with exacting precision. Our experts ensure perfect alignment, seamless movement, and structural integrity that stands up to the real-world use. Then comes testing, the stage that safeguards trust. Every product is inspected through strict quality checks, water flow testing, pressure verification, leak assessments, and life cycle tests. Only pieces that meet our highest standards progress further. Before dispatch, each product is laser marked for traceability, a signature of accountability and authenticity. Packing and dispatch complete the journey. With streamlined logistics, Corsa delivers its promise to every corner of India and to customers across Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, UAE, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. Supported by more than 500 dealer partners and a pan-India network of skilled after-sales technicians, we ensure that quality is not just delivered but continually upheld. Corsa's legacy is built by its people, a passionate team united by standards that go beyond manufacturing. It's a culture shaped by creativity, collaboration, discipline, and constant improvement. With multiple awards and certifications, including ISO 9001-2015, the Indian Bath Fittings Manufacturers Association, Power Brand's Rising Star, the Times Business Award, and the International Excellence Award, Corsa continues to set new benchmarks for the industry. As we look ahead, we stand prepared for a future defined by sustainable growth, technological advancement, and global recognition. Our mission remains unwavering to craft products that bring beauty, strength, and reliability into every home and every project. Choose the brand trusted by millions. Choose the expertise sharpened over decades. Choose the assurance that transforms spaces into experiences. Flow with confidence. Sabka Bharosa. Corsa.